Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel. And oh my gosh, guys, we have a run glitch at Walgreens. Plus, we have freebies, awesome clearance finds, and money makers. And I'm going to tell you all about it in this video. But before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you. So please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so I just left Walgreens and I found some really awesome deals that I wanted to share with y'all. Now, as some of y'all may know, I did have a spin booster for spend 50, get back $10 in Walgreens cash. But to be honest with y'all, I do not have time to do a big spin deal this week. We are right in the middle of soccer season, so it is literally just go, 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 and try to get, as much done in one day as we can. So, I put in a little pickup order yesterday. I ran into Walgreens to pick that up, and I did a couple of other quick deals and then scoped out the clearance. At the end of this video, I'm going to show y'all some more pictures of clearance items that I found so that y'all can be out on the lookout at your store. So first up, I found this little elephant fountain. This was originally $12.99, but it is down to $9.09, and they only had one left, and I know my sister-in-law is going to love it. Hopefully, she is not being nosy and watching this video. So she'll get that as a present at some point. So $9.09. I thought that was a pretty good deal. All right, next up, this little Talenti, not sure how to pronounce that, but it's gelato layers confetti cookie. This was just 63 cents. It was originally $6.29. So I grabbed that. I can't wait to eat that tonight. That's going to be really good. Next up, Glade products. Now, this was a little bit of a surprise. Y'all, I apologize that we're in the back seat of my car and the lighting is not good at all. But, we just got to work with it, right? So, Glade products, I found the 2-count Pine Wonderful scent and then the 2-count Fall Night Long. And then 1 Glade candle, pumpkin spice things up, 3-wick candle. So, these were all clearanced out at 78 cents, all right? I think some of them may have been 73 cents. I'll pop a picture on the screen here. I did take pictures before I grabbed them off the shelf. But all of these were 78 cents as far as I know. And surprise, surprise, when I got up to the register, they were buy one, get one half off. So I picked up a total of 6. That's all that they had left. Lucky me. And one of them was 78 cents. The second one was just 39 cents. Original price for these Glade products was $7.79 each. Guys, that's a huge, huge savings. So I was very, very happy that I found that. Next up, Nivea Men's Body Wash. Guys, there is body wash, shampoo, conditioner, all kinds of stuff going on clearance right now at Walgreens and Walmart. So the next video that y'all are going to see is a Walmart clearance video because that is where I'm at right now in the Walmart parking lot. All right, so we've got Nivea Men's Body Wash Sensitive. These were originally, sorry, I don't think it even says right here. Regular price $5.49. They were clearance down to $2.79 each. So I picked up 2 of those. That's all they had left. So 2 of these were $5.58. We have a 3 off 2 insert coupon in the January 30th. It's either the Smart Source or the Save insert, okay? So with that insert coupon, I ended up paying $2.58 for both of these. I thought that was a really great deal. So altogether, all of these items, I've got 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 items. Subtotal was $15.81. And I'll show you my receipt here. There's the Glade really quickly. There's the ice cream, the elephant fountain, and the Nivea body wash, $15.81. So I did use $10 in Walgreens cash to pay. So for all 10 items, $5.81 plus tax. You cannot beat it. So I'm super excited. I've never had these Glade fall plugins. I've had the pine before, but not the fall, so I'm super excited to try those out and see what they smell like. And also, great birthday present. So, all right, I'm going to do a little rearranging, and I'll see you in just a second. Alright guys, so the second deal that I did was the Colgate deal. I did this all by itself. So I told you all about this deal earlier on in the week. We have Colgate toothpaste this week that are on sale for $4. Normally they're $5, so they're on sale for $4. And when you buy 2, you get back $4 in Walgreens cash. Plus, we have 2 off 1 digital coupons. So, pick up 2. That's going to put you at $8. Use 2 of those 2 off 1 digital coupons. That's going to leave you paying $4. And you can use Walgreens cash to pay. And you're going to get back $4 in Walgreens cash. So this is a super simple and easy, quick freebie. And if you are like me and have so much toothpaste you don't know what to do with it, these are always great donation items, all right? So just to show you all my receipt here, the coupons came off no problem. I redeemed $4, so I used $4 on this transaction, and I earned $4.04. So this was actually a 4-cent moneymaker, right? All right, so I'm going to do a quick rearrange here, and I'll see you in just a second. All right, guys, so the sun finally came out, and now it's really messing up, right? Really messing up. So here's my third transaction. We're almost through, and this is an awesome deal. This is a glitch deal. This is a run deal. Y'all need to go out and pick up some Dove body wash at Walgreens now. So here is the thing. Dove body wash, they're on sale this week for $7 each, and you get back a $5 store register reward when you buy 3, okay? Now, my store register reward did not print off for me, but the cashier called the manager up. They gave me Walgreens cash instead, and honestly, that just works out better for me anyways, because sometimes I can't get back to Walgreens the very next week to use those store register rewards. So I would rather have Walgreens cash. It's just, I don't have to worry about it. I know that it's there when I want to use it. So, they did have to add $5 in Walgreens cash. If that happens to you, don't be afraid to bring that up and say, hey, I was supposed to get a register reward, but it didn't print. Is there any way you can talk to the manager and see if we can get Walgreens cash instead? So this is an advertised deal. If you have any issues, just pull up your Walgreens app, show that promotion in your Walgreens app, okay? All right, so pick up 4. You want to pick up 2 women's and 2 men's. Even though the promotion is just for buying 3, you want to pick up 2 women's and 2 men's. You're going to need 3 coupons. We have a 7 off 2 digital coupon on our Walgreens accounts, and you're going to need 2 of these buy one get one free insert coupons from last Sunday's save insert. Okay, you're going to need 2 of them. So there is the glitch, that all 3 coupons, the 7 off 2 digital and 2 of these insert coupons, are applying at the register, taking off a total of, what is that? 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, $21. Can y'all believe that is crazy? So you're going to pick up 4. That is going to put your subtotal at $28. So this would be great to pair up with a spend booster if you have it, okay? And then all 3 of those coupons are going to come off. I didn't do it in any specific order. I just typed in my number as she was ringing up my items, and then I handed over the insert coupons at the end. And then all 3 came off, no problem. So if you're doing this deal, you're going to get back that $5 register reward or the Walgreens cash, and that is going to make your final price just $2. Can y'all believe that? And you can use Walgreens cash to pay. So how awesome is that? Completely free. You don't have to pay hardly anything out of pocket, I wouldn't imagine. I'm not sure where the cutoff is. I think you can redeem like $1 in Walgreens cash, $2, $3, $4, $5, and then it may jump up to $10. But either way, it's a super low out-of-pocket deal. You're getting Dove body wash, and you're getting back $5 in register reward or Walgreens cash. So I got into the store and I found an even better deal, because these 2 Dove Men Plus Care body washes are on clearance right now. So if you see these at your store and they're not tagged, take them up to the register and have them price check it for you, because sometimes Walgreens just, they're just like Dollar General. They don't get around to marking down everything as soon as it marks down. So if you see Active Fresh with Sport Care, Active Fresh, Sport Care Power and Renew 2-in-1 body and face scrub. If you see either one of those are on clearance. So have them price check it to make sure. So here's my receipt, guys. Those Dove Men Plus Care were originally $7.49, but they're on clearance right now for $3.79. So 2 women's are up here for $7 each, and the 2 men's down here for $3.79. There you can see all 3 of those coupons came off no problem. There's the digital right there. It says manufacturer coupon. There is the $7 insert coupon, and then the $7 insert coupon. Subtotal was just 58 cents, guys. Can y'all believe that? I cannot. I can't believe it. So, like I said, my $5 register reward did not print, but she gave me back $5 in Walgreens cash. So, final price for all 4 of these Dove body washes was completely free, plus a $4.50 moneymaker. So, I'm super, super excited about this. I hope that y'all can run out and get this deal. If you've already done it, please let me know down in the comment section below. So, I'm going to do a little rearranging. I'm going to show you my really quick pickup order that I did yesterday. Alright guys, so here is my little pickup order that I put in for yesterday. Now I also added in the Bic razors that we have this week for $5.99, and we have a 5-off-1 digital coupon making those just 99 cents. However, my store doesn't carry those any longer, so that had to be a little ship to store deal, so I won't get those until next week. So for this transaction, I have the African Black Soap Shea Moisture and the Shea Moisture Coconut Oil Shea Butter Soap. Now the African Black Soap online, it was saying it was $4.19, but on this receipt here it says $3.97. I'm not sure what the discrepancy is there. I'm not sure why, but okay. Then we have the Shea Butter Soap. That is $4.07. We have a 2-off-1 digital coupon that's attaching to the soaps and a 3-off-1. So if the 2-off-1 came off of this one, that made that $2.07. Then the 3-off-1 came off of that one, that made that just 97 cents. I also picked up the Revlon eyeshadows. I told you all about this deal earlier in the week. So these are $5.17 each. So picking up 2 put me at $10.34. And we have that high value 10 off 2 Revlon Color Stay Cosmetics digital coupon. So all 3 of those coupons were applied. That brought my subtotal to $3.38. Now when I did this deal online, of course I included the razors as well. So $3.38 for all 4 of these items. That's less than $1 each. I'll take that any day of the week. I love Shea Moisture soap. But I added in the razors as well. So that put me over my $5 spend amount for that little booster that we had. Spend $5, you get back $5 in Walgreens cash. So once I get those razors, those should be here by next week or here in a few days. So those ended up being just 99 cents. But anyways, once I get those, I should receive $5 in Walgreens cash, making this little deal here completely free, plus a little bit of a money maker. So I think that turned out perfect, and it was just a sweet, simple little deal that I could do at the last minute. Alright guys, so before you go, I wanted to share with y'all a few quick pictures of some clearance finds that I found at my store. Now, all of the Valentine's Day stuff, so candy, stuffed animals, anything Valentine's Day themed, related, it's going to be down to 50% off right now at Walgreens. I also noticed a lot of these socks, gloves, and toboggans were all the way down to just $1. So really great deal there. I also noticed some cleaning supplies. There may be insert or digital coupons out there that will match those, or rebates as well. I just didn't have the time to go through and check. But also another thing, baby items. I noticed there were a lot of clearance tags in the baby aisle, a lot of diapers. Now a lot of that stuff was already bought up at my store. The shelves were pretty much cleared, but that might be something worth looking into, especially if you have little bitty ones. They also had some oral care products. There's the other fountain that I found, also a little heating wrap, just some miscellaneous items from here on out. They had some soaps and body washes. And I also know that Deborah Williams Bus found some really good prices on Soap and Glory products either last week or the week before, so that may be something to look at as well. Now, if y'all see something at your store that you've seen in this video and you're not sure what the price is, you can always take it up to the cashier and have them price check it. It's always worth asking because it could be a really good hidden clearance item that you find. And guys, there are a ton of awesome deals going on at Walgreens this week. So go ahead, get out of the house, run to Walgreens and see what y'all can find, and come back and let me know in the comment section down below. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and again, I apologize that we had to film in the car and the audio's bad and the lighting's bad, but y'all got the information and that is the most important part. So I hope that y'all can get out and grab up some of these deals, but before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it is a free way that you can help me out, and as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you on the next one.